see back in the back. If I can find the toad I have in this. See if you can see him. But it's a nice clean fish tank. And a whisper filter, so it keeps it nice and clean. Yeah. See, get the back view of it. Big nice fish tank. But that's almost it. See if we can find the toad. Kinda difficult to find, he's small. But yeah. And that's a young oldfish, which when we are babies, they're black, and when they get old, they go to like the gold, like you would be used to seeing. But yeah, that's it. Bye.